Good afternoon, everybody. I do not believe it. JB is first in the chat, man. JB, what's going on? Where you at, Frank? Oh, Frank's driving. That's why Frank wasn't first in the chat. Nick F, how you doing there? What's going on, Nick F? Great looking family you got there. Yes, it is a great looking family, especially their faces. Ooh, yeah, and their shirts. That too. You know you gotta like the video. You know if it sounds like something you're interested in. So let's get started. Isa Wu. Oh yes, hello Claybro and everyone. I'm waiting for an okay from my wife. If so, I'm going to double my position on AMC tomorrow. Joseph, amazing, man. Now let's get started. I hope that each of you has an awesome day. Cassie, facts on that one. Good afternoon, everybody. Finally, Shredder, we're here. Hello, everyone. Danelle, glad to have you in here. Frodo, good afternoon. I'm late again. Sheesh. Come on now, Devil's Advocate. It's all right. Better late than never. Supposedly, she wants to crack down on political inside trading. Right. Jonathan Stenning, what's going on? Roderick, it is time, man. Look at this afternoon. We got things pulling back a little bit right now. Man, they're just loving to take us down day after day. AMC was, 10% in the green this morning? Now it's down 1% right now. GameStop was up. Now it's down 3%. Shiba losing some of that gain there. Not too much, though. I guess Shiba zoomed in there. Shiba's sitting at $27.99. Prague, it was also green. Now it's sitting at $1.36. Farmy, I guarantee I can click on Farmy. You probably know what color Farmy's going to be, right? $22.16. Farmy is in the red as well. My goodness, what is happening to the day? Sundial. Is Sundial going to save us? I have not seen it. Is Sundial going to save us and be the only green stock in existence? Oh, no, it's in the red too. Break even. Come on. Sundial, you can do it. I'm putting my faith in you. 0.02% loss. Oh, break even. Come on, you can do it, Sundial. We got faith. We've got faith in Sundial to turn around and keep us green on the day. Other than that, man, they are just handing it to us this afternoon. 2 ads, no skip. WTF is this? Frank, I like it, man. Thank you, YouTube, for hitting Frank up with 2 no skips. 2 no skips in a row, man. That's like, at least 15 seconds. Wow. What's up, Glibro? JJ, how you doing? I'm lit again. Oh, I saw that one already. I'm going to get tested for you know what. Hopefully, honestly, well, look, man, I understand that mentality, right? Especially since you're probably going to get some time off work. You're going to know what you got. People are going to leave you alone. You're going to be good. JB, either way, man, either if you test positive for you know what, I hope you're fine. I hope you stay healthy. And I hope you recover fine there, man. How we doing, Clay? You know what, Alex? I'm doing good. How are you doing? Hope all is well. It is. So far, so good. I'll hold shares for 5 years if that's what it takes. I'm hoping this year it happens, though. Alex, me too, man. Me too. And speaking of that, dude, I wish everybody... I understand that everybody doesn't want to hold for 5 years, but the stock market is just not some game where you come in and you walk away a millionaire and then leave forever. The stock market draws you in, and then the thing is, you never get to leave. You never get to leave, man. You reinvest the money that you earn investing, and then you just reinvest that money and make more money on the investment. And people rarely cash out and walk away forever from the stock market. So the fact that you're willing to be in here for 5 years, good deal, man. Good deal. Even if the MOAS happens tomorrow and then you're still here 5 years later, that means you are generating some significant income, and I love it. If it gets cheap enough, people will dogpile on AMC so bad it will rocket again. Shredder, facts on that, man. Facts on that. You guys, don't forget that we spent from, and I don't know when you guys all jumped in, right? But from January all the way through May, it was a solid 5 months, okay? Solid 5 months that, and I don't want to say the price action was sideways because we did trade between $8 and $14 a couple times. So it wasn't necessarily sideways. Hitting 90% gains and then falling back down 50% is nothing to laugh at. But it's much different than going from $8 to $70, right? So we've been here before. We made it through that. They told us it would never happen, and we ran to 70. Now the shorts didn't cover. But guess what? We could absolutely run to 70 again if people don't give up. Definitely don't get time off work. Well, darn it, JB. Just work from home. Even better then. I mean, you're still going to get paid. You guys, don't work as hard if they're making you work from home. Just tired and trying to dodge this thing. That's what I'm saying, man. Thanks to know. All good. Good deal, JB. This dude's got to work from home, man. No mercy on that one. I feel you, though, JB. I feel you. This is financial advice, okay? If they're making you work from home while you have you-know-what, just don't work that hard, okay? Don't work that hard. It's okay if you don't put in 100% effort. I promise. I promise it'll be okay. Then when you recover, you can put in 100% effort, okay? Don't put it in if you're having to work from home while you've got you-know-what. Health, wealth, and happiness to all of you family. This is, my gosh, dude. I spent some time like a half hour ago on Twitter. World's a dark place, man. World's a dark place. I want to say that you guys are incredible, okay? Really, you guys are incredible people. Not making me, darn it, not making you work from home. Well, shoot, dude, if you're choosing to work from home, I guess that's better than taking a vacation if you got to take a vacation. Either way, dude, don't work as hard as you will before without it. Love Shiba, just 135 pounds and made 2,000. Jonathan, very nice, dude. Good run up there. And listen, you can make even more than that too in Shiba. That right there is, what, a little over a 10x gain? Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. But Shiba Inu, million X'd, okay? Shiba Inu doing some serious work in 2021. Now, clearly it's not going to million X again in 2022, but yeah, you can make some sick gains. Guest, hi, Josh. What's up, guest? And what's up, Josh? Al has a profile on my midget neighbor is interested and has made an inquiry. Very nice, Johnstontown. Very nice. Hopefully he gets accepted then. He's the best community of people on YouTube, maybe even the whole world. Frodo, I'm telling you, dude. I don't get it, but yes. I would... Dude, if you spend any amount of time on the internet, which clearly you guys do, you can see the types of communities that are out there, man. And I would bet this one against any other one that exists. No joke on that, dude. No joke. You can spend 15 minutes on Twitter or Reddit or really anywhere that you want and very quickly realize a lot of hate out there, dude. But we got nothing but love in here. We the bros, man. Sounds like you looked up Fat Bob Woodco on YouTube. I did not look up Fat Bob Woodco. I probably should look up Fat Bob Woodco because that does sound like something I'm interested in, man. Let's see what Fat Bob's got going on. Man, Fat Bob doing work. Oh, Fat Bob's got the making those carvings out of like tree stumps and stuff. That's cool. There you go, Fat Bob. Good deal, man. Got a couple videos out there. If you guys want to go watch Fat Bob carve some bears into tree stumps, if that sounds like something you're interested in, I'll say you get started, man. Heck yeah, Fat Bob. Congratulations to you, my man. Check Adamant Coin, AMC fast. Oh my gosh, Frodo, so true. Cleebro, is it about that time? JJ, what time? What time, JJ? We all buy more shares tomorrow. Victor, if you guys want to buy more shares tomorrow, absolutely go buy more shares tomorrow. Don't hesitate. ADMC. Adamant, ADMC up 20% today. Very nice. ADMC has been around for a little while. October. This is what just surprises me so much. Let's take a look at this. Moon time, let's get it, JB. It is time then. I want it to be time if it's moon time. Look at this. This is what does not make sense to me. Okay, this coin sat here for, man, I don't even know what this was. 2 months? All of October, all of November, all of December, all of January. Roughly 4 full months. Roughly 4 full months. Been like 3.5. This coin sits here, does nothing. No, literally no volume. Look at this day. No volume on these days. None. Nobody wants it. And then out of nowhere, wait for it, January comes along and boom, action. $142,000 trading. 131, 222,000, $300,000, 250, $300,000, $400,000. Why? And this dude, scam coin, not sell. Well, man, I'm going to tell you right now, scam coin, if you were in this thing for 2 months and then all of a sudden you 20x'd, I don't know if you're going to be calling it a scam coin. I don't get it either, buddy. But it's mind-boggling to me how these coins out of nowhere just take off like that. JJ! Oh, now I know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Anybody else out there hard like a diamond right now? Because JJ says that's what time it is, man. No, JJ, it's time to get hard. Heck yeah, man. It is time, and it has begun. All right. Don't live to work. Work to live. Betterment. This is a long-term investment. Marty, absolutely, man. Nobody should live to work. Nobody should... What? Don't live to work. Yes, nobody live to work. Although, I will tell you, I spend a lot of time. Making videos and live streaming. But I'm going to tell you right now, too. I'm having a blast, man. I'm having a blast. So if you guys love what you're doing, it's not really going to feel like you're doing anything work-wise. So fill your day with stuff that you enjoy. Like talking to you on the internet. That is sweet. Investing. And although the times are hard sometimes, I know for a fact that the market will turn around. You just got to be able to, I guess, swing through the downturns. And once you swing through the downturns, guess what happens after? Starts to swing up again. And it is amazing when you're making money in the stock market, which we will all be doing when the overall sentiment turns risk on again. AMC getting ready to close. The question of the day is going to be 18 over or under. 18 over or under. My goodness, it's going to be a close one. 18 over under. We're sitting at 18.06 right now, down 1.45% on the day. Shiba Inu coin over or under. 28.07 right now is where we're sitting at. Prague over or under $1.30. My goodness, dropping kind of heavy here at the end of the day. Over under $1.30 on that one. And GameStop over under 102. Bouncing all the way back down to 102. My goodness, they hit us hard after this afternoon. Farmy, over under 22 cents. Oh my gosh, can't believe it fell down through there. There's a lot of support here. It's not going to end under 22. But what a difficult day. Sundial, red. Oh my gosh. Sundial was our last hope, and I don't even think they're going to make it. Man, they really just love to take our money from this one, don't they? Oh, no, not 22.05. I want 18.03. Yeah, AMC right here. Looks like it's going to finish over 18 at the moment. 2 minutes, Clay. 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes. Over 18 will be a decent result. At least we sustained that $18 level. Check website, Adamant. What's going on with the website? Why would I need to check the website? I just checked CoinMarketCap. We looked at the fact that it's got a nice 20% run today, and you 20x'd over the last, 2 weeks. Hit that like button. Listen to Isa Wu. We need tips. Sping went up 550% today. Give us good tips. Forget about Shiba. Kagen B. Okay, you want to look at Sping today? You want to look at Sping? We can look at Sping. No problem on that one. So you go to cryptocurrencies. You can see these gainers and losers. Sping is no longer on top gainers. Don't know why. It was for a minute there. Maybe it's given up some of its gain. So Sping sitting at a 95% gain right now. In the last 24 hours, going from 4 cents, topping up around 9 cents, and now sitting at about 8 cents. Look, if you're looking at this coin right here, okay, and you want some tips, you would have sat in this coin for almost 2.5 years, okay? You get in these new coins. They got nothing going on. You can sit in them for 2.5 years. You know how upset you would be if you sat in this and every single day you're seeing zero volume? Yeah, you would have gave up by now. Facts on that one. Okay? And if you would have got in, that's got to be a glitch price right there. But if you would have got in at these levels, as people were selling, you would have had a little action back here in April of 2021 when you started to get $1 million a day traded. Oh, wow. And you all of a sudden, you erased 2 zeros going all the way up. No, 1 0. 10xing back there. 20xing back here in April, May of 2021. Nice. This is when Dogecoin was running. This is when Shiba Inu had its first run, and so on. Very speculative period back in here. As you can see, this nothing cryptocurrency also experienced from the hype and the euphoria that Dogecoin and, well, really Dogecoin was creating. I would say Shiba Inu coin took some of that hype too and was experiencing that. Now, out of literally nowhere, you get a gain like this, going from 0.2 of a cent all the way up to 10 cents a coin. You cannot expect that, okay? That's my tip of the day. You cannot expect or predict a gain like that. So if you want to take a chance on a coin and you want to hold on to it for years, sure, man, you could hit one. You could hit one. Go out there, buy $1,000 worth at 0.00002 and get rid of 3 zeros. 1,000 extra, $1,000 investment. All of a sudden, this would have made you a millionaire. And I don't think there's anybody out there that would say holding this coin for a year and a half to become an overnight millionaire is a bad idea. You know? But you know how much you would have complained? You know how much you would have complained right here? Watching Sping go from 0.00002 to 2.3 to 1 to 2 to losing 50% to gaining 10%, back to losing 50% again. Yeah, you would have complained a lot. You probably wouldn't have held. And if you did, there's your $1 million. So, tip of the day. Oh my gosh. Weeble was up that whole time. You gotta be joking me, man. You gotta be joking me. Gosh. This is what I'm talking about. This whole time. Okay? Flatline. Nothing for 2 years. Little action here in April, May. And then finally, you would have been very upset holding this thing for 2 years and not making any gains on it. Fat Bob's Woodco. What's up, bro? Isai Wu. Turn me on to your channel. I'm new to the crypto world. What are some simple tips I can utilize to get better? Fat Bob's Woodco. Well, first off, I'm going to tell you, man, your bear carvings on those tree stumps look incredible. Okay, you clearly got a talent, man. You clearly got a talent. So if you want to keep making YouTube videos on that, boom, do it, because you get some skills there. Second, crypto world. If you're brand new to investing in general, you need to know that crypto is volatile. Now, what volatile means, man, is it's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, and it's going to go up and down by a lot. It's not going to go up and down by 4 or 5%, like you might see Apple or Google or Amazon do. It's going to go up and down by 40 and 50% because it's crazy. Now, if you're looking for, let's see, if crypto is your thing and you want to make some decent investments in crypto, I would just stay focused on some of the bigger coins that are out there right now. If safe is your thing, you know, crypto might not be for you, but if being on the safe end of crypto is your thing, look at bigger coins like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Solana. Maybe stick to the top 10, top 20 coins, and maybe, you know, venture out of the top 20 if you want, but stay away from meme coins if safe's your thing. If you're trying to turn $100 into $1 million, you can look at that graph we got behind us right there, okay? And that's probably a bad one because you never experienced a very steep decline in that. But that graph right there shows you that if you would have bought that Sping coin, which was literally nothing for over 2 years, and then out of nowhere, it shoots up like that. That is also possible. So you're going to need to have patience if you want to, one, make it through the volatility, but two, if you want to experience one of these extremely large gains, you know, sometimes it's just uncalled for. Why a crypto goes up. Why a community just explodes. Shiba Inu coin, man. Remember, Shiba Inu coin debuted, I think, August of 2020. And if you would have invested $1,000 in Shiba Inu coin, August of 2020, by January, you had $2 left. Okay, you had $2 left. Now, I don't know if you would have sold before January. If you would, okay. If you didn't, it doesn't make any sense to sell in January anyway because you only got $2. Who cares about the $2 sale? You would have probably held. But once you got back up to $1,000, you might have been tempted to take your profit, get out of it. You said this coin sucks and move on. Well, if you would have done that, you wouldn't have turned that $1,000 into like $15 million. Okay? That's how much Shiba Inu coin jumped up in price. So, just anything is possible. You just need to know who you are and what you can handle as an investor. If you can't handle the volatility, you're going to have to go for bigger coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and so on, even though they're volatile as well. Does anybody know about Robinhood listing Shib? I heard CFO, so they're going to go to list it and a few other coins once they get regulatory requirements. Sean, we can talk about that in 2 seconds here. Let me see this chat, see if I'm caught up. Pat Bobby, checking the channel out earlier in the stream. Yes, we were. JB's right. Some YouTube channel was talking about it last night. Showed the article. Seemed legitimate. Yeah, we'll talk about that in 2 seconds. It was a beautiful people. Cladinho, Brozinho, Samanino. How you doing, man? Clay, bro, sent you the first Chip Bro NFT. I'm going to have to look at this in a second here. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I'm not logged into my wallet anywhere on the... computer. Dude, send me a picture of the ones you sent. Or if I can look at them on your OpenSea place. I don't know how it works. Send me a link or something that I can see the NFTs. Because I'm not logged into my wallet on the computer. So, back to Sean. That is true, okay? But they may have twisted that slightly. So the CFO was being asked, they had I think it was the Wall Street Journal or somebody put on a networking event for CFOs. And at this networking event, they allowed people to ask questions. It was over the internet and must have been like an Ask Me Anything type deal at the end where users or viewers could ask questions to the CFOs. And clearly somebody asked about if they were going to be adding meme coins or something to the platform, adding additional meme coins. It was obvious that they meant Shiba Inu. They didn't specifically say Shiba Inu because the CFO said that they were not taking any questions on Shiba Inu, and they did ignore the questions that were directly related to Shiba Inu. So what the CFO for Robinhood said was, and I did a video on it quoting it at the beginning of the video. I kind of forget the exact wording now, but basically they are awaiting regulatory, I guess, clarity or something when it comes to listing any sort of meme coin. Dude, I'm going to tell you right now, Robinhood has regulatory approval to list Shiba Inu coin. Every other broker and every other exchange has listed Shiba Inu coin. Robinhood is lying when they are telling you that this is about regulation and this is about you. I do not know why they are doing that, but if they wanted approval to list Shiba Inu coin, they could absolutely get approval to list Shiba Inu coin. So don't let them fool you by telling you that this is about you and about your safety in investing, that this is something that's out of their control and out of their hands. Because if it is, they can't do what literally every other competitor in their field has done. So that would look very bad on their part. So they're just egging people along with that, man. They're not going to tell you anything about when they're listing Shiba Inu coin or not. But in my personal opinion, if every other exchange has regulatory approval to list Shiba Inu coin, they also could very easily get the regulatory approval. And on down to Freddie, man. Thank you very much, Freddie. Thank you for everything you do. I have DM'd a link to you. Let's see it, man. Let's see this DM link. What do we got going on here? Freddie, thank you for everything you do, man. Seriously, these NFTs are sweet. What do we got here? All right, OpenSea Claybro Series, OpenSea Collection. All right, 2 owners. Oh, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, where are we at? Nice. Claybro Series Collection. We got 2 owners. Is it me? I don't know how this works. 4 items. Okay, we got 4 items listed on here. This one, very cool. Claybro Inu card, Claybro series. We got Claybro Inu or Chipbro Inu right here. Very nice. I like that one. We got Devil's Advocate. Nice. We've got the Shiba Moonshot, and we got Claybro and Chipbro. Very nice. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. I think you guys can see all those right there. Very cool. I don't know. What if I click on it? Can I see how? Does it say who the owner is or anything? Okay, cool. My gosh, Google just started talking downstairs. It's weird. Nice, man. Nice. So do these stay on here then? Do these stay on here? I don't know how NFTs work. This is my very first NFT. That's sweet, man. That's sweet. And then that's got 2 owners. So maybe this one? Very nice. Very nice. Shib Moonshot and Chipbro Inu. Very nice, man. If you guys want to check out this collection, go check out this collection right here. I don't know how to get there. OpenSea, and then I guess search Claybro Series Collection or something like that. Freddie, man, that is awesome. Thank you very much. Where's Frank? Frank is in here. Frank was driving a minute ago. Samanino, though. Every new list on Coinbase seems to have a quick rise, then fall. Shping will be listed today, I think. I am all in. Shping is listed on, Coinbase. Shping is going to be listed on Coinbase today. If Shping is listed on Coinbase today, that's probably why you got the increase that you saw today. That would make sense. I don't know if Shping's going to be listed on Coinbase or not. But if it is, that's probably why you already saw that increase there. And you are right, man. It's called the Coinbase effect is what they've coined that phrase, is the Coinbase effect. Hey, you're a cool piece, man. AG, you're cool too, man. I'm glad you're in here. Thank you very much. Yo, that's me. That is you, Devil's Advocate. Caesar, that was pretty sweet, wasn't it? Never seen anything like that, and I got one. Such great work. Nice attention to detail. Really is, man. AMC tomorrow, we dine. John. I don't know, man. It sounds like a bad place to eat. Just sounds like a bad place to eat to me. I don't know if I want to do that. Claybro, there, forever on the blockchain. I love that I did that with your first NFT. Woohoo! Freddie, very nice, man. Very nice. Now I'm going to have to go on an NFT craze, dude. Now I'm just going to go be buying all the NFTs that are out there. Every single NFT in existence, I'm going to buy it. I see when I get close to the microphone there, it starts to peek out in the red, and I got to be careful. I don't want to blow your guys' ears up. I'm here. Frank is here. Clay's always happy. Even happier when I get my first NFT, man. Finally in town. I'm working in today. Good deal, Frank. You better stay warm, man. Friday number 23 is my favorite on your NFTs. I don't even know how to go out there and see number 23. I don't know how to see all of them. Can you see them? I don't know how to see him, man. Yeah, so there's 4 of them that I can see right now, I guess. I saw all of them earlier. I just don't know if I can see more of them now or not. Clay, what's up? Yo, Carl, how you doing? I have $9 of Ethereum sitting around in my MetaMask wallet. I tried to buy Shping with it right now, and it wanted $159 in gas. Is there a workaround to avoid this fee? Am I doing something wrong? Roderick. So no, there's actually not a workaround to avoid that fee. Ethereum gas fees are ridiculous right now. That is correct. That gas fee was right. Now, I as far as I know, okay, Polygon is, and I don't exactly know how it works, right? But Polygon is working on the Ethereum blockchain, and if something is listed as on the Polygon blockchain as well, I think you can use Ethereum and Polygon to eliminate gas fees. But as far as going out there and trying to buy an NFT or swap your Ethereum or something like that, you're going to get hit with gas fees. Unless somebody else knows something that I don't. Freddie, we need custom emojis for the chat. Chip bro emojis. Freddie, on it, man. Freddie, we should make everybody that gets an NFT gets a custom emoji too. Hey Clay, what's the chart program that you use? John, this is Weeble in the background, man. If you want, you can download Weeble. You can use the link in the description below. And then, I mean, if you want to actually open it up as a brokerage account, great. Make your $100 deposit. You're going to get some free stocks. If not, you can still use the link in the description below. And then anytime you do feel comfortable opening up a brokerage account, you can go ahead and do that. But, I mean, you can use the charting program just by downloading it with that link. And then, you know, you'll get your free stocks whenever you want to make your deposit. Pancakes is in here. What's going on, Pancakes? How's your day going? Hi, Clay. Happy to see another live stream. Since your last stream, I now hold 8.4 million Shib, and I'm excited about the Microsoft Activision deal. Perfect, man. That Panda thing. Not exactly sure when the last live stream was. Glad you're accumulating more Shiba Inu coin. That is very nice. And Netflix got hammered. JJ, I did not see the Netflix got hammered. They come out with earnings today or something? I know we're at earnings season right now. Ooh, they probably did report earnings then, right? Down 13% after hours right now. Seems like they may have reported earnings. Seems like that's what they did. Netflix misses subscriber addition estimates as, I don't even know if I can say that word, as the pool eases, competition intensifies. Gotcha. So yes. So they beat revenue by 50 cents. They beat earnings per share by 50 cents. And they're in line with their revenue expectations. Man, they got hit hard based on the fact that the subscriber addition estimates didn't hit. Wow. Dude, look at this. Oh, okay, that's the 50-cent beat. I was like, ooh, somebody was estimating 50 cents, somebody was estimating 82 cents. Wow, so they did excellent on their earnings report, but they did not add as many subscribers as they wanted to. And they're getting hit pretty hard because of that. Down 13% right now. I do not own any Netflix, but could be a good time to own Netflix after that. $700 a share. They're currently sitting at 400. Wow. Wow. They are getting hit hard after hours. They're currently sitting down here where my cursor is. 445. Right here. This little level of support. They break that, man. They might see a run down to $400 a share. Yeah, that's gonna be a steep decline in the morning when that line fills. 444, still losing. 443. Yeah, they're getting hit pretty hard, man. They are getting hit pretty hard. Prague sitting sideways after hours. Somebody needs to go out there and buy a share and tell me that candle's yours. This guy got 2 candles in this 1 minute. Or two shares in this 1 minute candle here. Wow. AMC sitting sideways, $18.12. We did close above $18 per share. That is excellent news. And Prague closed. What did Prague close? $1.33. Very nice. GameStop closed at $102.67. And Shiba sitting at $27.92 right now. I know the market's been closed for a while, but I just saw those numbers. And tomorrow, we're going to have a nice run tomorrow if we expect to close above 21. But theaters are dead. Looks like streaming might be dead too there. I don't know. I should say that in the video tonight. Theaters are dead. Right. And Netflix gets ripped 13% after hours because they didn't add as many subscribers as they wanted. Does anyone know why Satoshi doesn't show his face? Dude, Roderick. I don't know. A lot of people don't like to show their face, man. I don't know. I've never seen a lot of people's faces on here. Facts on that. So it's not just Satoshi that doesn't show it. I sent number 23 to your Twitter. Oh, did you, Danelle? Did you send number 23 to my Twitter? Nah, I did see that one. Yeah, I remember seeing that. That one's sweet because the dude somehow uses the same exact background as. Look at this. Look at this. Dude's even got me a gold play button up there. Nice. I like that. And then he's got the bro symbol. He's got the computer set up right there. And he's even got a lava lamp. And look. He's got the exact replica of the intermission screen on that computer. I mean, dude, Freddy pays attention, man. Freddy pays attention for sure. That's pretty sweet. We are going to the movies on 128. We like the theaters. Let's do it. Pancakes. We do like the movie theater. We do like the movies. We do like the stock. And we do like making money in the stock market. Facts on all of that. I gotta close this out now. Alright, cool. Or by Los Angeles. Fitch personality Clay. Oh, Shredder. Bam, we've been in California in a few months ourselves for a while. Something Fitch personality Clay. Well, thank you, Shredder. I think that's pretty good then, right? You're talking about the NFT, I would assume. Awesome, Freddy. Do great work. Love the bro park. The bro trailer park, yes. Also awesome as well. Let's bring back drive-ins. Roderick, they tried, man. They tried. People wanted to get drive-ins going, especially because of, that word that we don't speak of. They said it would be safer and it would be, a way that people could go out and enjoy the movies. And nope. I don't remember the last time I went to the drive-in was, but it's been a long time since I've been to the drive-in. They look great, Freddy. Heck yeah, they do. Jeff Jones, good day to you, man. Somebody go buy one share of BRKA. I don't even know what it's trading at right now, man. 440,000, or is it way above that? See my last message. JB, absolutely. What is JB's last? Oh, come on. Scroll bar not working again today. I just bought one prog. Nice, JB. Nice. JB's gonna go add BRKA now. Maybe some BRKB too. How are the burning doing with Shiba? So, Andrew, good question. There is a drive-in in my town. Julie Miller, yeah, we got I don't even know if it's still open since I haven't been to the drive-ins in so long. So I don't even know if there's still one nearby or not because I haven't been there. But, dude, the last drive-in I can actually remember going to, it's like 2007. But I think I went to one or two after that, but I don't really remember. Burning. Okay, Shiba burns. Yeah, Shiba burns. They're still happening constantly. We're burning anywhere from like 20 million to 100 million Shiba on any given day. Now, it sounds like a decent amount, but it's still a relatively low amount. We need to be burning. I mean, honestly, if you guys want to burn a significant amount of Shiba, we need to be burning like a trillion coins. Man. Every week. And that's still going to take us a while to get to where we want to go. I'm talking a couple years to get to where we want to go. I would like to see 1 trillion coins a day being burnt. That way we could reduce the supply in about a year to where we want to get it. But it's going to take a while because we are nowhere near the levels we need to get to. Good night, all. Freddy, are you leaving, man? Few of us Cali apes are meeting up to go to the movies. Me, Cat, and a few apes. We love hanging out. Very nice pancakes. Any thoughts on a baby Shiba, Clay? Andrew, I've seen baby Shiba. I've seen the hype surrounding baby Doge. I do not know if baby Shiba will do anything. I do not know, but baby Doge has hype, and baby Shiba could absolutely get some hype as well. Okay, keep that in mind. But as far as like the market cap or potential or anything like that, or anybody behind that project, I have no idea. And I have no idea if they'll continue it on, if it loses value, if they'll just give up. Like, you got me, man. Augustin says Netflix is still going lower. Come on, Netflix, what are you doing? Yeah, Netflix getting ripped, man. Down 17% right now. 420. Dude, Netflix might hit 400. That's a crazy decline. 420. It's sitting at about here. Yeah, it could. I'd say Netflix could easily fall back down to 390. Wow. Getting hit hard. Yeah, you know what? 390. If it doesn't hold 390, this is going to be very strong right here at 385. But, wow. Sitting at 420 right now. Still sitting up in this area, but down here, man, it's a steep decline. Man, those people really wanted their subscriber expectations to be hit. AG! Thank you very much for the super chat, AG. Good, bro. Need your input. Let's see it. I have 200 plus million in Shiba Inu Weevil. My goal is 950 million to 1 billion in Shiba. What is the best wallet and the safest one? AG, good question, okay? And that depends on if you want to hold on exchange or off exchange. I like Trust Wallet, okay? Now, clearly, Trust Wallet is, and I don't know if necessarily one is safer than the other. Trust Wallet's a good one. MetaMask is a good one. If you want kind of off-exchange wallets that have been around for a very long time and are integrated into nearly any DeFi platform that's out there. Now, you can also get DeFi wallets from other exchanges because Trust Wallet is owned by Binance, okay? Coinbase also has a DeFi wallet, and Crypto.com also has a DeFi wallet if you want to hold there. Now, I will tell you, if you want to hold your Shiba on Webull, Webull is not a wallet. Webull, you cannot transfer that Shiba Inu coin off of Webull either. You're going to need to sell it, and then you would need to rebuy it back later. If you're looking to hold on a wallet, man, I don't know if you use any other platforms like Coinbase or Crypto.com or whatever, but holding on exchange, like if you were to just go buy Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase right now, you know, you're insured, okay? You're on the exchange, and they have an insurance policy. I'm not exactly sure how much it goes up to, but if some hacker did come along and hack Coinbase, then your money would be insured. They're like a broker, and they do carry insurance. If you're holding a billion Shiba on Trust Wallet, and then you factory reset your phone, and you have to log back in, if you forget your phrase to log back in, nobody can do anything for you. You will burn those coins. And if you're holding a billion, that is, at current prices, $28,000. Nobody wants to lose $28,000 because they forgot a password. So, some stuff to think about. And I have no problem if people want to hold, I have no problem if you want to hold on Webull either. I don't have a problem at all with Webull. But if you want to hold in a wallet on an exchange, it might make you feel a little bit better because of the insurance that's associated with it. So, something to think about there too. Like, you got on-exchange wallets, off-exchange wallets, and then you've got Webull, which is like a derivative of Shiba Inu coin, since you technically can't trade it and send it to wherever you want. Hopefully that helped a little bit, AG. If not, I mean, ask a more specific question or something. I might be able to go into a little bit more detail about another thing. But it really all depends, man. I don't know if one of them is necessarily safer than the other. You just might like the user interface on one much better than another. You might like the fact that on exchange could have insurance and things like that. You might like the fact that, off exchange, it's like you're holding your cash in your wallet. And I don't know if we get the same regulatory nonsense going on that we do on exchanges. So, Calibro, Crypto R Us talked to his large audience about how he doesn't think Shiba is a meme coin anymore, but now considered an altcoin. Pika! So Pika Power. I've kind of mentioned that too in some of my more recent videos. I do think that it's moving away. I don't know if it's necessarily there yet, but I do think that it's moving away from meme coin status. Meme coin status is simply because there's like no underlying value, no underlying project, no underlying use other than the fact that people are just buying it because it's there. Yeah, that would be like if Claybro coin came out and you literally just bought it because you liked Claybro. You can't use it for anything. You can't do anything with it. So that would be a meme coin at that point. If Claybro coin came out and that's the only thing that I accepted as a form of payment for Claybro merchandise, well, now you kind of need it if you want a shirt. So that's something to think about too. Not necessarily a meme coin. It does have use. You need it. But then if we started developing games like Shiba Inu is doing, it is taking Shiba away from that meme coin status. 29 Palms, California, Smith's Ranch Drive-In Theater. I saw the original Batman in 1989 there. It temporarily closed. Darn it. Frank, bring back memories, man. Netflix still falling. My gosh, dude. We're going to have to look at this in a second. Netflix about to hit 400. Shouldn't have increased the subscription price. Is it really about to hit 400? 417. Netflix sitting at 417 right now. Blew through that 420, it was down to 411. Hey, let's put this line here at 385, where we said it could hit, because if it breaks this area, if it breaks like 395, 400, yeah, this is gonna be the line in the sand. So you guys keep your eyes on that. We'll be checking that here in a second. 20% decline in Netflix, man. That's a big company to decline by 20%. They beat earnings expectations by 50 cents a share. They had $1.33 earnings. They were expected to have 82 or 83 cent earnings. They beat it by 50 cents. Revenue in line with expectations. And they're getting hammered because people weren't signing up as expected. Wow. Netflix has a lot of competition now too. Yes, they do. Let's see. Interesting. I do like Claybro. Interesting. Diddy214. You might buy a Claybro coin. What are your thoughts about Russia in talks about making crypto transactions? Well, here's the deal with any country talking about making crypto transactions illegal. True crypto transactions, they will not know about. True crypto transactions, nobody can regulate them. True crypto transactions cannot be made. Well, I guess they can be made illegal, right? But true crypto transactions cannot be regulated. That's the beautiful part about it. Now, that's the difference between holding on an exchange wallet and an off-exchange wallet. They can shut the exchanges down because the exchange has to have the, regulatory approval. Coinbase has to go out there. Coinbase has to know their customer, and Coinbase has to report all of the transactions and gains and losses to the IRS and so on. A true off-exchange crypto wallet, it's just like I handed you cash, man. It's just like I handed you cash. And because of the miners that are out there with their mining machines running, and they're the ones validating the transactions, they can't shut it down because it's not one company that's mining. It's literally, people all over the world using their computers to verify these transactions. I don't know if they will or not, though. If they do, it probably will hit crypto hard in the price. AG! I have a crypto.com, and I am looking to grow my Shib faster, being 800 million away. What are tips and tricks to use to grow more quickly? Pray for it to drop more. AG, that would be a very good tip to purchase Shiba Inu coin at a much quicker pace. If Shiba Inu coin lost another 50% of its value, you would literally be able to go out there and get a billion Shiba for $14,000 instead of $28,000. So yes, that would be one way to go acquire a larger position in a much shorter amount of time. Now, the only other way to do that is to find a way to spend, if you're looking at it at the current price, find a way to spend $28,000 faster, and you would have to make more money. You'd have to bring more money in to be able to spend more money at that quicker pace. So you could, I'm not recommending doing this, but you could trade some Shiba Inu coin. You could trade other cryptocurrencies, or you could take a chance on, and I emphasize take a chance, right? You could take a chance on another coin where, let's say you think this new coin that comes out, baby Shiba Inu, is going to 10x. So you went out there and you spent $1,000 and it did 10x and you made 10 grand. Well, that's an excellent gain. You could pour that back into your Shiba Inu. All strategies, but what it boils down to is you either have to have more money to spend, or you have to wait until the price comes down so you can spend less money and get more coins. Netflix's future guidance is disastrous. Yeah, mix of. It's definitely ripping the price right now. I canceled a number of my streaming subscriptions. I find it easier just to pay to rent the movie I want to see on demand. Jeffrey, yeah, that's another option too. People, and I never really thought about that. I still use Netflix and so on, but see, it's funny that subscriptions killed renting. Now, the way that Jeffrey's thinking, renting may make a comeback, and of course, it's still streaming services. You're not going to go to the video store anymore and walk around and get a video off the shelf. But renting, as opposed to streaming and having access to all these shows, might come and do some damage to overall subscription services. She was sitting at 27.72. AMC dead flat after hours. Sitting at 18.11 right now. Prague having some trouble making some candles. Flat after hours at $1.33. GameStop sitting at 103 after hours. Farmy down 1.53% after hours. Breaking through that 22-cent range. And down at 21.85 after hours. Man, it's got more going on after hours today on 50,000 shares being traded than it had all day on probably 15 million shares being traded. Let's put AMC back up there, and then let's go see what Netflix has going on. 411, ladies and gentlemen, it's probably going to break this line right here. And then come down and test 400, and then if it breaks that 400, going to be sitting here at 385. Interesting that Netflix is getting hit so hard, down 19.04. It's jumping around, down 19% after hours right now. Really, really getting hit hard. Libra Cardano making up for yesterday's drop and back on its way for the bull run. ADA being has really good utilities. It could dethrone Bitcoin one day. Pika Power, it's not going to be easy to dethrone Bitcoin, okay? But I do think that some of these coins, they do have some utilities and make payments, faster, stronger, more efficient, and cheaper. They've got some severe potential moving forward. Hey! Or we're not going to speak on how all stocks and crypto went down at the same time at 1 p.m. till market close. Why is the SEC not saying anything? This can't be fair. How do the hedge funds have so much power? Spaz out. I don't think that the hedge funds have that much power. Okay? I don't think it's always to blame on the hedge funds. I did notice that, like Prague and GameStop and AMC did turn sideways towards the end of the day. Farmy turned sideways towards the end of the day. I don't know if something was said towards the end of the day or what the deal was that made the vast majority of assets out there turn sideways. I don't know if there was some report released about how earnings are starting to fall or what the deal was. But something happened, yes, to shift the direction that the market was moving today. Personally, dude, I don't like to give the enemy more power than they actually have. I don't think that the hedge funds control everything that goes on in the market. I think you can beat the hedge funds. I think that the overall market, if you just go out there and you buy an S&P 500 index, an S&P 500 ETF, you're going to beat the hedge funds. Just year in and year out. They cannot outperform the market on an annual basis over any long period of time. If they had the power, they would. They don't. So I don't know if it was necessarily corruption, but I do agree that something shifted the sentiment in the market because we were having a very beautiful morning, man. Everything was green this morning. And look how it ended. You guys can see it on the left. Crypto's still green. Yeah, not as green as it was, but all the stocks in the red. It's because they didn't bring the office back. That might be true, man. That might be true. I've watched The Office like 4 times. Clint, can you explain options for tomorrow? So, Victor, we do have a ton of options expiring tomorrow. Now, at these prices that we're currently at, I don't know, I don't even know if I can expect a ton of options to expire in the money tomorrow. But if we do get some sort of an unexpected increase in AMC, if it bounces off this $18 mark and starts soaring higher, it's going to be, what's going to happen is, and I don't even know what number to put out here, but let's say AMC just starts ripping higher and it closes at $25 a share. With the amount of options expiring tomorrow, it's going to cause the hedge funds to do one of two things. Now, maybe they have already gone out there and these calls that they sold are covered calls. If that's the case, we can't expect too much. All they're going to do is give us the shares that they already own. If the calls that they sold were naked calls, they have to go out there and buy up these shares. Now, if they go out there and buy up these shares to give people that had calls expiring in the money, to give them those shares, because they're clearly going to call them away at a lower price than the market's at, then we should expect an increase in price because we're going to have an increase in demand. I don't know what the max pain numbers are. I don't know how many options would be expiring in the money at any given price and so on. I just know that we do have a ton of options. And there's a lot of them at the $145 mark too. Please don't expect AMC to reach $145 tomorrow. Dark Blade! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Dark Blade, man, listen to Dark Blade, guys. You know what Dark Blade says? Click that like button. Dark Blade says, click that like button. Dark Blade says, click that like button. Oh my gosh, where did I go? Dark Blade says, click that like button. Thank you very much, Dark Blade. Make sure to click that like button, guys. Right on, thanks. Absolutely spaz out. Thank you for being in here, man. Oh my gosh, SPY dropping hard. Everything's getting hit pretty hard right now. We're gonna... I feel like I'm getting a lot of messages right now. If it cuts out again, I'm going to have to see who's messaging. Okay. Mom apparently sent like 7 pictures, so that's why it cut out. Anyway, we're back. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. What happened? Holy moly, now I have to buy more. Crap, darn it. Grandpa Barney's got to go out there and buy more. I know. Grandpa Barney, what happened, dude? What happened? Who told somebody to sell these stocks towards the end of the day? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. I didn't tell anybody to sell anything. But yeah, you're right, man. Afternoon. Look, AMC, afternoon. Turned a corner. Down. The rest of the day. Prague, turned a corner, down the rest of the day. GameStop, I don't know if you guys can see it down there in the bottom right. It might be covering it up. Down the rest of the day. So it was a very difficult afternoon for the stock market. I don't know if somebody said something and sentiment shifted or what the deal was. But yeah, very difficult downturn. And let's go check Netflix. Yep, Netflix going down there, testing that $400 mark. 406.11 is what it bottomed out at here. Kind of getting a nice little bounce. Let's see if it breaks through that $400 mark and goes down to this 385. Otherwise, I believe this 400 could hold up. It's currently sitting on a 19% decline. Wow, 19% after hours. Think about that, guys. They beat earnings expectations by 50 cents. By 50 cents. Revenue expectations in line. The only thing that they had off was the amount of additional subscribers that they would get. And it's getting hammered because of it. You know what that tells me? That tells me that people, the price of Netflix being at $700 a share, that might have been since the last earnings call. It was a while ago. People were heavily expecting and investing in the future value of Netflix here. Because look, about the same time that AMC and all these stocks started to pull back around Thanksgiving, Netflix doing the exact same thing, dropping from $700 all the way down to $410 right now. So if you ever think that the decline we're seeing in AMC is exclusive to AMC, this company right here, Netflix, you ever heard of them? They're getting hammered as well. And my gosh, today, even worse, man. Even worse, dropping down to $413 per share. My gosh. Big corporations are passing the buck down to us to build, get that going. So selling is needed to survive inflation and all of that. I do think that they are passing it down to us, man. They're not gonna want to take the brunt of it. Did you punch your camera, Clay? I should have punched my camera, JB. I should have punched it, but I did not do it. Grandpa, tomorrow is buy AMC day. Tomorrow is buy AMC day. Yeah, if you want to buy AMC, buy it tomorrow. Why did the crypto market just crash? Well, I don't know if the crypto market just crashed. Let's see what we got. So we got over the last 5 minutes, 10 minutes maybe. Bitcoin went from 42,000 to 41,600. 1% decline in Bitcoin over the last 5 minutes. Shiba dropping off right there along with Bitcoin. I wouldn't consider that a crash, man. But I don't know why a little sell-off in Bitcoin took place. Down 2%, man. Farming going to be sitting down after hours. Beautiful on that. Don't we just love these declines? AMC sitting down after hours. Oh, no, break even now. Okay. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for this chat. 2 months ago, I moved all my 401k into stable value fund, waiting for the dip. My AMC average is going down fast. I love it. Amazing, Grandpa Barney. Amazing, man. And 2 months ago, moving your 401k into a stable value fund, hey, dude, excellent move on that, because 2 months ago is when things really started to turn. So, Grandpa Barney called that one pretty much dead on. Grandpa Barney timing the market over there. I like it. We like prog around here. Can't replace the chart. Yes, we do like prog around here. Was somebody saying put a different chart up? Search on stocks DNN. I don't know. Get rid of the prog chart. Replace with DWAC. Mitch. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to replace that with DWAC, man. If you guys want to put DWAC, I don't have any GameStop, so I don't have any DWAC either. But if you guys want a DWAC chart where GameStop is, you can put a DWAC chart there if you want. Replace with Many Worlds chart. Let's see what stable looks like. Esau, woo, I like it, man. No, Many Worlds is doing pretty good, guys. I got Many Worlds on Christmas or on New Year's Eve, and I was down for a minute, and now I'm up about 50% from where I got in at. Bro, do you think Viacom can get lumped into the value category? KO bets, good question, man. I have no idea what they're doing or what they look like right now. So maybe, but if I was going to give you an answer, I would honestly just be talking instead of giving you an actual answer. Hey, I told you last week to grab a bag of Shibnobi, up 57%. Mark, man, I did not grab a bag of Shinobi, and I'm not up 57% on it, but I'm going to tell you and only you, man. I wish I was. I wish I was. Honestly, all puts are printing. Luke, yeah, all puts are printing right now because the market and everything's going down right now. So puts make money when everything's going down. Why is tomorrow buy AMC day? I think because some guy told you to buy AMC tomorrow, and that's why it's buy AMC day. I think it's the same guy that told you not to buy AMC because all shares of AMC were fake. So I think that's why it's buy AMC, because the guy that told you not to buy AMC is not telling you to buy AMC. You can buy one GME with my check. It is factual. Grandpa Barney, I can. If I want to buy a share of GameStop, I absolutely could. Grandpa Barney is the man. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. Sincerely, for real. Grandma Barney is holding a coconut drink and watching Claybro's stream. Now, Grandma Barney is holding a coconut drink, and Grandpa Barney is stuck in freezing cold Seattle. Hit that like button, DD214. Sounds like something I'm interested in. So you know what, Danelle? Let's get started. Official AMC day, January 28th, 2022. Yes, I'm buying tomorrow. DD214 is buying tomorrow. Good deal. AMC bouncing back a little bit here. Oh my gosh, we are down below $18 per share. $17.96 after hours. Not liking that. Look at the declines after hours, man. AMC sitting down 0.61%. GameStop down 2%. Farmy down 2%. NASDAQ ended down after being up, ended down 1.3% on the day. NASDAQ got really turned a corner today, didn't they? My gosh. Yeah, was doing well this morning, and then nice little hill. It just fell off. My goodness. Come on, AMC. Play this nonsense where you sit below $18 a share. Just stay above 18. We don't need to see any more declines. So where's AMC heading tomorrow? Jose Miguel Rivera. Your guess is as good as mine, but I would hope that it is heading up. Doesn't it have something to do with short calls? John, are you talking about tomorrow, man? Are you talking about why people are wanting to buy AMC tomorrow? If that's what you're talking about, yeah, maybe. But I'm going to tell you right now that we're not going to get enough calls to expire in the money because people go out and buy tomorrow, that it's going to make a significant difference. So only buy tomorrow if you want to buy tomorrow. Don't buy tomorrow because you think that we are going to, I guess, manipulate or skyrocket the price into short squeezing or gamma squeezing. Grandpa Barney says, Grandpa Barney working overtime to buy more AMC, babe. Dude, think about it. Grandpa Barney constantly adds on these dips, man. Imagine what's going to happen when the short squeeze does get here and all of Grandpa Barney's shares start to soar in value. It's going to be incredible. Not Mac, AMC, Scat Spartan. Don't know what I saw there. Don't know if I missed something. Bought some GME earlier, added, then it dropped $8 a share. Now, it happens to the best of us. I'm going to tell you that right now. Buying Mac in the morning. Buying AMC in the morning. Cash clearing in Weeble. Claybro, thanks for the videos you post. I want to average down to under $25. Scott Spartan, man. Very nice. Yeah, below $25 average would be very good. But guys, remember, whatever your average is, if you're willing to hold for the short squeeze, it doesn't matter if you're in the red, in the green. It matters if the shorts are selling. And if you're in the red when the shorts are done covering their positions, then, we lost. If you're in the green when the shorts are done covering their positions, then you won. So keep that in mind too. It might not always be, you got a better percentage gain. Clearly, some guy with one share at $1.90 is going to have a better percentage gain than somebody with 100,000 shares at $10. But the guy with 100,000 shares is going to make a lot more money than the guy that had one share at $1.90. We need the squeeze so Grandpa Barney can retire. Facts on that, but I have a hard time believing Grandpa Barney would actually retire. I feel like Grandpa Barney is a very active man, and Grandpa Barney would continue his trade there. I don't know. That's just my feeling on that. Claybro, is Prague going to hit a 1-for-1 with Sundial? Oh my gosh, dude. If Prague hits a 1-for-1 with Sundial, I would be shocked. You You guys got to remember, though, Prog ran from like 60 cents to $6 in a very short amount of time. So Prog had a very nice run. Although Sundial ran from about 13 cents to $4.20. So, yeah, it just goes to show you the idiots that like to sell when Sundial hits 420. Oh, my God. But Sundial had I'd say, a better run than Prog did there, actually. Prog 10x'd. Sundial did better than that. Grandpa Bunny loves Miami. Heck yes, all of us. Ferrari, baby. Let's get it. Grandpa Barney says, forget about the Corvette. We're going Ferrari. Grandpa is keeping this site going every day with Super Chats. He is piercing out he's piecing out your inheritance to you. Grandpa Barney is a baller, man. Grandpa Barney is amazing. I'm out. Good night. Jim, enjoy your night, man. Thank you very much for hanging out with us, for being in here, having fun, and you know where to find us tomorrow, man. DD214, he sure deserves it. Oh, well, thank you. Oh, that's yeah, Grandpa Barney. Listen, Grandpa Barney, you retiring once the squeeze comes? Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna work less? Are you gonna work less? You get a full-time retire? What's the deal? Andrew, kind of interesting. So, Budweiser distributes Monster in my market. I think Bud and Miller have done a great job of gobbling market share. In my opinion, those are better buys. Something I did not see what Andrew was saying there. Very good, if you know what you're talking about. The price is good for buying. Yes, it is, Christopher. Man, where did Andrew go? I don't even see Andrew's message on there. Right, either I'll get a Tesla or a used Corolla. Dude, nothing wrong with a used Corolla either, man. I love my used Kia Forte. The FUD is making me feel like AMC, we will have a very hard time getting 40 again in this market. EJ, yeah, dude. According to the market, we're going to have an impossible time hitting 40 again. The market is coming down. If people are investing in AMC based on the current market conditions, you are right. We are not going to hit 40 again. We have to remember, though, we are not investing in AMC because of the overall market. We are not investing in AMC. We are not investing in AMC in general because we're not investing in its fundamentals. We are not investing in anything in AMC. We are trading AMC in hopes that the increase in demand from the shorts covering and the fact that we own it and we are not selling increases the price to drastic amounts that give us life-changing money. That is why I bought AMC. I believe that's why you bought AMC. If you bought it for a different reason, you need to reassess the reason you bought it, because the market is giving you very harsh conditions right now. Shiba, man. Shiba pulling back now alongside Bitcoin. Bitcoin moving on its way down here. Shiba moving on its way down, sitting at 2,700. It seems to be a pretty difficult day for everything after hours now, guys. Farmy sitting down 3% after hours now, 21.5 cents. Very difficult after hours for a lot of shares out there, man. What is going on right now? Stuff is nonsense. AMC sitting down 0.39% after hours, 17.98 after touching 17.92. Man. Can you check on PRLB charting and thinking about making a position? Time alone. Yeah, we could probably do that real quick. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. No, both cars. After all of this, 5 years, no matter what. Love my job. Gravy, baby. Grandpa Barney's got 5 years left. Very nice. Grandpa Barney says, forget about the MOAS. We ain't worried about that. We got 5 years left. And hey, listen, if you do love your job, man, don't give it up. Don't give it up if you love your job. PRLB. Proto Labs, man. Dude, just me, I with the severe lack in volume, I probably wouldn't get involved with this stock. Very low volume, but very low volume, man. Unless you think that it's like, listen, the good news is you've got a lot of support in this area. Bad news is you don't have a lot of interest in this stock. So keep that in mind. Like, what it looks like a star constellation out here, just with little blips. Somebody's writing Morse code. That's not something you want to see. You want to see more liquidity than that. Netflix bouncing around that $400 level as it is 5 o'clock, guys. All right, as we're leaving, let me know if you guys think Netflix is gonna finish After Hours over or under $400. We'll get that going, and then we're gonna get the shout outs going as well. Grandpa Barney, man, thank you once again for all the super chats. Absolutely appreciate you. I hope that Grandma Barney does have a great time in Hawaii, that she is sipping on that coconut water and she's enjoying the waves rolling in. Let's get the shout outs going, guys. We'll be back in 2 hours with a video, 3 hours with another video. Make sure to watch it. Click the like button on it. You know, show YouTube that you're showing some love, and maybe they'll recommend it to some other people. But thank you guys very much for being in here, hanging out, and hopefully if you guys do own Netflix, you're not getting hit too hard right now. Grandpa Barney, shout out to you. Danelle, shout out. John, Danelle, Ignacio, Quentin, Frodo, Christopher, K.O. Betts, Victor, Ty Malone, John, Aaron, Julie, bye-bye to you. Caesar, peace out, my man. Frodo, Mike Garcia, see you later from Fort Lauderdale. See you later from Ohio, man. It's nice and cold here. I hope it's nice and warm there. Sammy for Camper and Van, everything my cat would desire. AMC Moes, let's get it, Cassie. I hope you do get all of that. Frank, Victor, Frodo, K.O. Betts, John, Caesar, Mark, K.O. Betts, Muhammad, DD214. Thank you for everyone and love you all. Absolutely, DD214. So glad to have you in here, man. Mark, have a good day. Clay, have a good day as well, Mark. Peace out, Gorilla Invictus. Enjoy your evening, man. We're going to come back for one more day tomorrow, guys. We got one more day left in the week, and hopefully it's a good one. Today started out well, didn't end so well, but it's going to be fine tomorrow. Scott Spartan, man. Yo, Carl, over, under. Yo, Carl says under. Either way, man, it's going to be all right. So now you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.